Today we are going to be looking at numbers 4 and 5 again. We have two hives. This hive, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bees. This is an opening for the hive. It's not a bee. Kind of looks like a bee, but if you look close, it's an opening. And then over here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's the opening. These bees go up and down. These bees go across. So what you are going to do is you are going to mark how many bees are in this hive on this box. You're going to mark how many bees are in this hive on this box. I want you to try that on your own. If you need to use your counters, you can. And then just put them down on each one and then move them over. But if you can do it this way too, that works. I want you to try on your own first. Okay, we're going to answer the question, are they the same amount of bees? Are there the same amount of bees in this hive as there are in this hive? So what I did is I put my bees on my list. Did I make my chart right? What do you think? I went in order, but I did start at the top, and we should usually start at the bottom. However, if you do it this way, that's okay. Just make sure that you do the same thing over here so that they end the same. So I drew lines to represent where my bees were going. You do not have to do that, especially if you were using the bears. So this first bee went up here, the second bee was here, third bee was here, fourth bee was here. There's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can put that on my chart if I would like. And then I'm going to go over here. I did the same thing. I drew a line from the first bee to the first box. Second bee, second box. Third bee, third box. Fourth bee, fourth box. I don't have a fifth bee for that fifth box. And looking at my charts, they both end the same spot. There's nothing in the last box. So they have the same. They are the same number. On the next page, it says 3 and 4. Circle the group that has 3. Color the group that has 4. So you're going to take your pencil or your crayon or colored pencil. You're going to circle the ones that have 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to circle that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not circling that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to circle that one. No, because it's 4. 1, 2, 3. Do I circle that one? Yes. Now I'm going to take my crayon and I'm going to color the 4s, because remember it said color the groups of 4. So I'm going to color the group of 4. And I'm going to go over here to the other group that I didn't circle and I'm going to color it. Okay, so I circled my 3s, I colored my 4s. Okay, then the next page I'm going to do says write the numbers 3 and 4. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to trace the 3, write the 3. I'm going to write the 3 2 times. If I try to write it any more than that, it gets too close to the 4. Then I'm going to come over here, I'm going to write the 4. Forward line down, go back up and over. Or you can make the L shape, and then the line between. Line up. Over, almost looks like it's going to be an H, but then you stop and you go across. Or you can make the L that's flying, and then a line down. Okay, now you're going to count how many there are and write that number on the line. So how many are there? 3. You're going to practice writing your 3. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to practice writing our 4. As the next part says, draw raisins in each bag of that shows the number. So this one you want to draw 3 raisins. This one you're going to want to draw 4 raisins. And when they say raisins, they just mean circles. So you're going to draw 3 circles in this bag. You're going to draw 4 circles in this bag. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There's my 3 raisins. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. What do you notice about 4? It comes right after 3, doesn't it? Because we had 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then one more is 4. So when we add one more, we get 4. The next page is again 3 and 4. So here is 3 in picture form and in writing. 1, 2, 3. There's the number. There's the number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bats, 3 balls. Circle the groups of 3. Color the groups of 4. So it's just like this page, but this time you're going to be doing it on your own. So you're going to circle the groups of 3. You're going to color the groups of 4. I'm going to be looking for that page to see how well you've done on your own. On the back of that sheet, it says 3 and 4 again. Follow the instructions. 3 birds are colored. 3 birds colored. Trace the number. So we're going to trace the number. Then we're going to color in 3 birds. Here's 3 birds. Are 3 birds colored in this one? No, so we can color in those 3 birds. 1, 2, 3. The 3 birds are colored here, but they're not colored here, so you're going to leave this one alone because there are 3 birds colored. This one you need to color them in. It says 4 cats are colored. So we're going to write, well, first we're going to write how many are in total. So how many altogether? Because if I have 3 that are colored and then 2 that are not, how many do I have altogether? I have 5. Then over here I have 3 covered, 2 more is 5. And then over here we're just going to rewrite the 3 times. So how many in all? How many in all? Practice your 3. Okay, down here it says 4 cats are colored. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, so we're not doing anything there. Color 4 cats. So then we're going to color the 4 cats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write the number on the line 4 times. So this time we're only going to write the 4. So we're going to practice the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And then we can practice, if you want to, you can practice over here on the 4. They have the dots that give us the directions. So again, I'm going to be looking for this page being done on your own. The last part, the last page, we are going to be practicing writing those 3s and 4s. You start at the star, you go round, round. Here's the 3. You're going to trace all of those 3s. Then down here, you're going to start at the star, go over and around. You're going to do that for each of the star to make a 3. And then over here, you're going to do the same thing with the 4. You're going to trace the 4 for each one. Then you're going to write the 4. It says count and write how many. So you're going to count how many and then write that number. Count how many, write that number. This is the other sheet I'm going to expect you to do on your own. So I'm going to be looking for those 2 sheets when you turn in your homework. Wonderful job, you guys. Kiss your brain.